Have you ever wondered what could happen if a gigantic asteroid like Apophis were to strike Earth? One of the many mysteries of our cosmos, Apophis, is a near-Earth asteroid that was discovered in 2004. This massive space rock, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, is estimated to be about 370 meters in diameter, traveling at speeds of over 28,000 miles per hour. If an object of this size and speed were to collide with Earth, the resulting impact could be devastating, potentially causing massive tsunamis and triggering a global winter, a period of abnormal cold caused by the dust and debris blocking out the sun. However, it's important to remember that such events are extremely rare. The probabilities of Apophis or any other near-Earth asteroid actually striking our planet are minuscule, but the consequences, if they were to happen, would be catastrophic. So, with the potential for such a catastrophic event, how do scientists actually study these cosmic missiles? Asteroids, these remnants from the early solar system, are more than just a threat. They hold keys to understanding our past and possibly our future. Formed around 4.5 billion years ago, asteroids are essentially cosmic leftovers. They're made up of rock, metal, and sometimes organic materials, acting as a time capsule from the early days of our solar system. Their composition provides invaluable insights into the materials that helped form the planets, including our own. Determining the orbit of an asteroid is a fascinating blend of observation and calculation. Scientists use principles of celestial mechanics, leveraging the laws of motion and gravity to predict an asteroid's path. This helps us understand whether an asteroid is a potential threat to Earth. But how do we study these distant objects? Telescopes play a crucial role. From ground-based observatories to space telescopes, these instruments capture light reflected off asteroids, helping us assess their size, shape, and composition. In some cases, space probes are sent to get an up-close look, taking detailed images and even collecting samples for analysis back on Earth. Predicting potential impacts involves using all this data and applying sophisticated computational models. While it's not an exact science, it gives us the best possible estimate of when and where an asteroid might strike, providing us time to prepare or even avert a disaster. Understanding asteroids is a complex task, but what about Apophis? How do we know its path and what are we doing to keep an eye on it? Apophis, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, certainly lives up to its name. But how do scientists track such a potentially dangerous object? To keep tabs on Apophis and other near-Earth asteroids, scientists employ a combination of techniques. One of the primary methods is radar observations. These powerful beams of radio waves are fired at the asteroid, bouncing off its surface and returning to Earth. By analyzing the time it takes for these waves to return, scientists can calculate the asteroid's distance, speed, and trajectory with incredible accuracy. Space missions also play a crucial role. By sending spacecraft to these asteroids, scientists can gather invaluable data, directly observing these celestial bodies and their behavior in their natural environment. This hands-on approach gives us an unprecedented understanding of these space rocks. Now, when it comes to calculating the probability of a potential impact, scientists use complex mathematical models. These models take into account the asteroid's size, speed, trajectory, and even the gravitational pull of nearby celestial bodies. If the calculations show a potential threat, measures are put into place to prevent an impact. These can range from changing the asteroid's course using a spacecraft to detonating a device near the asteroid to push it off course. While the threat of Apophis may seem terrifying, rest assured, scientists around the world are keeping a close eye on it, ready to take action if needed. After all, our Earth is precious, and we must do everything we can to protect it. And so the mystery continues. That concludes this week's episode of Cosmic Mysteries. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Universal Factz. Thanks for watching.